Hi, my name is Guy Racy. This is my brother Itai, the biggest car guy I know and our in-house inventor. Our father Michael always pushes us forward, sometimes a little too much. Together we have created Enicar Connected, a great tool to modernize classic cars and hot rods. Now with COVID-19 slowing down the world, we have some time to show you what we love to do. This is ENICAR Garage.
Hi guys, welcome back and thank you for joining. Last time we finished installing the power window and central locking modules. Today we're going to wrap up the work on the door by customizing and installing new door panels. The next item on our to-do list is going to be installing a vintage air HVAC system and preparing it to be wired up to the Enicar Connected system. First thing first, let's talk about the door panels.
Yeah, well, door panels and interior work might seem intimidating to the beginner, but actually with some practice on the sewing machine and planning, you can get surprising results. Today we want to show you some key points and techniques on how to get great results out of the sewing machine.
Okay, so what do we need for the door panel customization?
The must-have tools are, of course, a sewing machine, scissors, a sharp cutting knife, and a marking pen. The materials that we will need are plywood, foam, contact cement, and of course the fabrics themselves. We'll start out by planning out the layout.
Well, first thing we need to do is decide and outline the design concept. Choosing fabrics and colors is an important phase. We can do that either by matching the interior to the outer color of the car or by contrasting to it. It's also important to find the lines in the cabin that the design can adapt to and thus creating a flowing feeling of the cabin.
Great, I got everything ready, so let's get to it.
Having trouble marking the openings in the door? Use your finger to rub some carbon over the edge of the opening, and then use a pencil for a precise trace.
For years I've been using these jigsaws and I've always complained about the fact that chips are flying into your eyes. Only about a year ago I found out that it is because I'm using it in my left hand and from the right side the chips are flying upwards. So I cut this from plastic sheet and I will cover the right side of the exhaust this way to deflect the chips downwards.
Now that the base layers are ready, it's a good time to dry test the general composition. Make sure everything fits and that you have prepared all the required openings. Armrest fitment holes, an opening for the inner handle and cable, a base for the handle to attach to, and any additional fabric base layers.
I think we're almost done with the panels and they're looking great.
Yeah, I'm looking forward to start working on the center console.
That didn't sound good.
No, let's go check it out.
Go ahead.
Hi, Dad.
Hi. Is it ready?
No, not yet. What was that noise that I heard when you came in?
I was going on the highway and all of a sudden I heard bang. The front left side went down a little bit and that's it. And also when I'm turning it's making kind of rubbing noise.
Well, that's not good news, but I think I know what it is.
Good.
We'll need to lift the car and take the wheel off to check it out.
Okay, do that.
I'll start with the wheel and we'll take it from there.
Sounds good.
Bring her up and we'll start.
Okay.
Are you in here?
Yeah.
So I took off the wheel and this is what I found.
Well, a classic fracture. The Mini has a special suspension system. It doesn't use a metal spring but actually uses a rubber cone instead. Beneath the rubber cone there is this strut. It's made out of aluminium and over time moisture gets inside, causes corrosion and a crack, and at the end it fractures into two. We'll be replacing this part as well as the spring itself, and I hope it will be an easy fix.
It will be. I'll go order the parts.
Okay.
Next on ENICAR GARAGE. With the new panels in place, it's time to cool it down with a brand new vintage air AC unit. Parts for the Mini arrived, and it's time to finish the fix. Planning the center console begins to complete the interior makeover. Join us to see how the guys handle it all.